Greetings, folks. This is Jaidev Sharma on 3rd of February 25. Today, I'm going to share with you my short-term outlook on Palantir. It's a stock that I hold, and I'm holding it for long term. But also, it's a company that I really like. I really like what they do as a fellow IT professional. But before I do that, just a quick word of a disclaimer. I am not a qualified investment advisor. I'm just sharing this information for educational and information purpose only. And if you were to follow any of these suggestions, please do your own research and you follow them at your own risk. So without further ado, let us look at the chart. As you can see, from June of last year until now, it has been on a steady uptrend. But in the month of October, it was being held by this resistance line around 45, 48. But then end of October, this was broken with a big thrust up. And since then, it has been making higher highs. A little bit of consolidation here, another swing high, then a retracement and another swing up. Where the price action currently stands is that if you look at the last candle, it is making an inverted hammer, which means that it is likely to make a swing low. If you look back, it made inverted hammer here and it made a swing back. Okay, so that is one thing to watch. The second thing is today pre-market murmurs are that New York might have a red day today. And as you know, when New York has a red day, the rest of the world follows, bringing down even the best of the stocks with it. So there is a possibility that it might have an impact on Palantir as well. The third factor is that Palantir is going to come out with its earnings statement later. That will have a bearing on how the stock behaves. If the earnings are really good, it might blast through these higher highs and make another wave up. If they are not meeting the expectations which has been priced in, then it might have a swing down. Okay, so those are the factors to consider. Now, as far as my outlook, I would like to just see this trend line here. Because we are looking at a daily chart, which is quite got a significant time frame. The first likelihood based on this hammer and the fact that New York is looking ahead at a down day, this might come and revisit it here. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now, if it does so, then I need to find out an area which will give me a buying opportunity. Okay, that for me is in the region of here around 72.7. So that is one area. However, if the market actually has a real bad day, then we need to look at other areas as well. The second area to look at is here. And then after that, it's going right up to this resistance turning into support, okay, which is quite significantly below the current market action. Let me also see how the support lines that I have drawn look in the Fibonacci. Let me draw from this move from here up to right up to the top. Okay. So very interesting thing. When I draw that, the 61.8% retracement is right on that big resistance which I talked about, which was broken in end of October. So that's a very important area. Keep a note of that. Okay, it's at 45.02. So the other lines that Fibonacci has drawn for this big move is 50% at 52.67, 38.2% at 60, which is also a very good area in terms of a sort of a consolidation and then break further up. Fibonacci has drawn an area at 69.79. Okay, I drew a line at 72.70. I think if it has a down day and tries to meet it here, 72.7 seems more likely without breaking the trend line. Okay, so I will stick an order, a very small order at 72.7, because if 69 was to happen, then trend line will have broken, in which case I would actually wait for 67.17. The next will be 60.32 as also indicated by Fibonacci. So these are some of my areas that I will be looking at in the coming week, depending upon how the price goes. That said, my wish is that the earnings are brilliant and it actually makes another thrust up, breaking the higher highs. So with that wish, let's see how it unfolds. Have a good day and a good week. Thank you.